Greetings and welcome to the Word Bible software and thewordbooks.com. Today we're going to be looking at the Word Sneak Peek features book search view. So in here, you'll see in book search view over here, if you look over in this area, there is a new area. It's a reference search. This is still very much a work in progress. Be careful. Take some time, understand what's happening here, because it creates a new index called Bible Link Search in the module itself, in the SQL file. So it'll re-index for that. There's some things to look at. Sneak peek log number 29. Make sure to set the appropriate options in book search options. So there's no exact phrases treated as L words for by reference. What this does, if I go in here and I'll go into, I would be very careful what books I do this to begin with. I would do maybe a test one. Let's see, where did our test book go? Let me get my test book back in here and check it out, because some books actually cause problems when they're not in a similar format, especially if they've been gotten from random locations. And so here I'm going to give you what will happen, what this feature does. John 1:1, John 1:1, John 1:1. Okay, now I'm going to show you how this will do different items and search for them. Okay, so in here you can go in and we would like to go open a book search. So we're going to go into book search, and I'm just going to do the current module because it needs to regenerate this. So we have some items here in the subject topic: search for Bible references and only search. Okay, I want to look for John 1:1. Now if you look, and it has here, here, and here. It has all three of those marked, because internally, even though we're looking for John 1:1 as a phrase, it knows that internally the hyperlink is John 1:1 and John JHN 1:1 and JN 1:1. And so if I was to look for 1 John, let's see if it works with ordinal, I can't remember. It will highlight these two different ones, even though we didn't put in just the phrase. Now, let's go a little bit further. So we'll let's turn off search Bible references. If I look for 1 John 1:1, you notice that it finds one instance. Oops. I think I maybe turned it on, and now let's see if I can get it back off. There we are. Okay. So now go in here. Notice it just found just this one. And if I go John 1:1, it's going to find here, 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 and here. Those are not the actual reference, but that is the text. And so you can tell the difference between text and reference search. So now we're going to go back in here, and I would like to do only search for. And so now let's go back in here again. And you'll see it has those again, just the reference ones, and they're brought in as a light blue to distinguish that they are a different one. Let's do. You can do. You have a pop-up option here if you want to see that also, and you can do a control, kind of like what you get to do in the other area. So we're going to leave that there. That kind of gives you, I would turn this back off when you get done. Just work on it bit by bit. Try it out. Make sure for now, keep a copy of the book that you're going to try that out. Regular searches are just fine. Don't worry about that. But if you search this option or this option, and that'll turn on the book search indexing and things like that. Just to let you know. So, okay. That should be it, and hopefully that gives you a little bit more idea And this is the final video for right now of the Word sneak peek. There might be some more. Right now I'm working on some major upgrades to the Word, hopefully. We'll see what happens. It's a major code upgrade, and so just pray for wisdom and discernment as kind of wrestle through some of those things, and pray for wisdom and discernment for me and Costas in this area. Thank you so much. God bless, and we pray you have a good day in the Lord. Bye-bye.